Given a point and slope, write an equation in point-slope form. So we want to write it as a linear equation, and so far we know that y is equal to mx plus b. And this is the slope-intercept form, where b is the y-intercept. This is the y-intercept. And then m is equal to the slope. So point-slope form is derived based off the definition of the slope. So let's look at that. M is equal to rise over run. And this is actually equal to the difference of the y coordinates for 2 points. So y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Now we can just say that y sub 2 is equal to y, and then we can just substitute that. So then we have m is equal to y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1. So we want to rewrite this in terms of y. So to do that, we can multiply both sides by x minus x sub 1, and to do that, we have to do the other side. So x minus x sub 1 and x minus x sub 1, they cross off because anything over itself is equal to 1. So then we have m is multiplied by the quantity of x minus x sub 1, and that's equal to y minus y sub 1. Now we can actually switch these to on each side of the equation, so then instead we can write it as y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times the quantity of x minus x sub 1. And then we have the point-slope form. So they give us that the slope is equal to m, so slope is equal to 1/3, that is, I should say. And the point they give us is 5, 1. And we can call this x sub 1, y sub 1. And when we plug everything in, we have y minus 1, which is equal to m, which is the slope, 1/3, times x minus 5. And we are done.